Hello, you guys. It's Chuck the Chicken again. It is time for the puppet of the day again. So, without further ado, let's go ahead. Today's puppet of the day is a robot puppet. Yeah. His name is Hector, robot. Yeah. He's silver. And yeah, he also a robot as well. He has a cool button things on the chest. You can make puppet shows with this to have some fun. Oh yeah, and I can do voice of them too. Listen.
Good evening. My name is Hector the robot. I have come from the future. Take me to your leader.
Did you like my Hector the robot's impression? Comments below. So yeah, that's Hector the robot puppet.
Goodbye.